T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Engine start. 1, 0, and liftoff of the Delta2 rocket with Kepler on a search for planets in some way like our own.
Vernier engine chamber pressures are building. Groundlet solid motors are building in chamber pressure. Increasing at this time. Pressure's looking good. 1 second into the flight. Recovering from the initial launch transients. Passing 34 seconds. Mach 1. Vehicle's now going supersonic. Motor chamber pressure is beginning to trail off as we're passing 45 seconds. Engine chamber pressure, good steady state value. Symmetrical burn on the groundlet solids. Coming up 55 seconds.
And we have a sequencer on channel 1.
Standing by for burnout.
Give me a liftoff time. 03.
Burning out of the solids.
49.
And for separation.
7.465.
See separation.
7.465.
And we have ignition of the airlit solid motors. Airlit solid motors building in chamber pressure.